Hey guys, it's PopcornPlaz and we're doing a survival, as you can see right there. Let's go. Ooh. Okay, we're in. And we're in. So, we're in. If you like my skin, I'll put it for download, maybe. I may put it for download in the description. I created this, it's not that difficult. I am a pro skin creator. Yeah. Ask me to create a skin in the comment and I will create it for you. And yeah, so let's get into it. Oh no, we want difficulty on normal. Let's get straight into it. I know you guys have probably seen loads of on YouTube, so you're not going to really be interested in watching video 1, but if you do, thank you. If you do like, show your support. Probably won't get any likes on the first video, so but please do and subscribe. I would love you to subscribe because you would help me out a lot. And yeah, I'll just love to start off my new YouTube channel. My first time ever. Be real cool. Because I've seen pro YouTubers, like loads of people doing this stuff, and I've gotten really good at it. So I'm like, oh yeah, I might try that. I'll try that. Might take me a couple years to get as good as them, maybe 10 years. Cause yeah, that's what happens. That's what happens when you start off. You got to start small, but you grow big. I'm most likely gonna upload content every day. So yeah, that'll help me grow. Help me grow bigger. So yeah, if I grow pretty big pretty quick, I'll be real happy. And I'll do like $10 giveaways. Maybe for like 2 seconds, check a code in every video. Once I get 150 subscribers, yeah, I'll start doing that. That'll be pretty fun. That'll be real fun. I should just be getting money. But I'll need to be, yeah. Maybe I'll do that once a month. Or once every 2 weeks in the video. So yeah, that'll help my channel grow. So please show your support. Like, comment, subscribe. I would really love you to. And yep, so this is going to be the survival series. It's probably going to be boring at the start, so you guys probably won't watch me, because I'm like, yeah. Because not many people watch survival series. Because, especially new channels, they have 0 subscribers. Yeah. I'll probably post 2-3 videos today on this. So yeah, hopefully that happens. Each video is going to be 15 minutes long. Or, yeah, 15 minutes long. Just get some wood. Go. Okay. Okay, this looks like quite a nice spot to just place this down. Let's start off by crafting a pickaxe, and that's all you need to make out of wood. Because then you can just make a mine, get cobblestone, and make cobblestone tools. So it's just more. Oh, no, don't want to mine that. There's that stuff. Don't want that. I want cobblestone. It's just mine out over here. This is a nice little spot. Here we are, cobblestone. Going right now, but I'm going to turn into cobblestone. Here we go. Now we got some stone, cobblestone. birthday and stuff. And if you guys want me to subscribe to your channel, I'll also give you a shout out if I have anyone watching. Comment your YouTube channel in the description, and I will subscribe to your channel and comment and give you a shout out. Oh, that was weird. So yeah, if you want that to happen, just say and it will. So only first 4 people get it done though. Not first 3. Let's make 2 more sticks. I need a sword, that, an axe. There we are. And I need some more to make a furnace, and then we'll be set for the night, except the bed and the house. So not really, but yeah, you know what I mean. Okay then. Okay, should be enough. Okay, there we go. So this is gonna be fun for me because I find this game is pretty fun. It's not boring, not like the most exciting, but it's fun. I'm gonna that should be good. Just keep that up here. I was just doing that to get torches because, like, it's so weird how pro Minecraft players don't do this. They wait till they find coal. But I don't. I just do what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna mine this small area out, grab some more cobble, and kind of set up a small base. Yeah, so this is gonna be pretty fun for me. It's gonna be pretty exciting when you get like diamonds and stuff, because I'm pretty good at finding diamonds, if I do say so myself. I can find diamonds within half an hour playing the game. I can find diamonds. So I just got a script mine. That's how you find diamonds. Just got a script mine. So we're just mining this out. Just trying to set up a small little base. So I'm gonna mine out all of this here too. Let's pick that up and go up here. Mine this up. This is only temporary. I've got an idea for how to build my house. Pretty solid idea. This is just gonna be kind of first night thing. And yeah. So if anybody's watching this video, hi. And hi. Yeah, hi. If you have Clash Clans, I will probably be doing 1 or 2 videos a day on that. Maybe. 1 video on that and 2 on Minecraft. So yeah, this is hopefully will be a solid channel. Will last a while, because I don't want to have like a really weak channel that just dies after 2 months and doesn't upload again, because they're like, oh no, I'm sad, I got no viewers, I better not make Minecraft anymore. I hate my life. So I hate channels that do that. So yeah, let's just keep on going. I am going to torch out this whole place because I do not want monsters spawning in my house. That would just be a disaster. Did I? Yeah, I did grab it, I'm sure. Yeah, I did. Oh, sweet. Okay. So there we go. There we go. Might smelt up some more of that. Let's just make some more torches. Place some here. Place one there. There we go, house is lit up. And I'll also just place one right there. I think my brightness is down.